I will teach you how to assemble double head honey filling machine. First, we install the big U-shaped T. Just screw it on after it's done. The next step is to install the outlet. Remember to prevent the shims at the spout from shifting. Just tighten after alignment. Then install the funnel. Also pay attention to the gasket position here. The last step is to connect the air pressure gauge. Let me show you how it looks after it's assembled. Just turn on the electricity and the air pump, and it's ready to use.